Well, hello, aviation enthusiasts. Here we are in Midway, and I gotta tell you, this is fun because the sim has nailed the weather. I just checked the live weather in Midway, and it's called 30 degrees and snow showers. And as you can see, that's exactly what we're dealing with. First time I've ever seen. Now, granted, it's not snow; it's snow showers. We're still getting some sun, as you can see, but the ground looks wet, the textures look beautiful. So we're going to do part one of our short 50-minute flight from Midway Airport in Chicago, KMDW, Kilo Mike Delta Whiskey, to, wait for it, Charleston, West Virginia, Yeager Airport. Don't ask. Anyway, it's going to be a nighttime landing for sure. Damn near close to being a nighttime takeoff. Local time, 4:20 in Chicago. We'll stop chattering here. Let's get in the cockpit and let's get our airplane started. There's that goofy bounce. All right, well, let's fix this. And we don't even have a headlamp. I mean, I can't see shit. Oh my God, how do I even start this airplane? I can't see anything. I'm literally going to have to... How do I do toggle yoke visibility? Holy Jesus. Oh, thank God for that external power.
Midway clearance delivery Cessna November 34 Bravo Whiskey IFR to Yeager, ready to copy.
Oh my God, thank God. Boy, was that scary. That's actually something they should work on. Is giving the headlamp option even if it's still technically daylight out.
Cessna November 34 Bravo Whiskey cleared to Yeager Airport is filed. Takeoff runway 22 left, climb and maintain 7,000 feet.
So we'll set it at 9.
Departure on 126.05 squawk 011 tree.
Man.
Cessna Tree Bravo Whiskey, read back correct. Contact ground on 121.65.
Here, ATC seems to be working better today than it was yesterday. I'm glad to see that. We're going to need anti-icing right from the start.
Cessna November 34 Bravo Whiskey requesting pushback.
Turn off external power.
Cessna November 34 Bravo Whiskey pushback request accepted.
100% on the APU, so we'll start the right engine. Spooling up, getting pushback. Snow flying through the skies here. I don't know if you can make it out. That's cool. Sync our altimeter. There we go. Altimeter showing 3038, unusually high given the weather. Nav source FMS, bearing 1, GPS, speed bugs 195 on VY. All on. PFD settings, wind option 2. Good. So that was quick. Minimums at Charleston, West Virginia are 1181, so we'll go ahead and put that in now. Just so we don't forget. Oh, wait a minute. What's going on with our right engine? Let's check, see if we did something wrong.
Midway ground Cessna November 34 Bravo
There we go.
Whiskey requesting
That was
the
weird.
pushback.
Cessna November 34 Bravo Whiskey request to end pushback received.
Okay, right engine spooling up now, nicely. Got plenty of gas. We'll do 1 notch of flaps. And we got our icing stuff. Okay, well, we're getting faster at this setup nonsense. Let's go through my checklist here officially. Left, right battery start, left, right generator on. Turn off the APU once we finish engine startup. Altimeter's calibrated, anti-collision lights. Raycog lights are on. Altitude, VS, nav heading, speed out of the throttle. Nav source, bearing 1, wind, PFD settings, pitot heat, flaps 1. Okay, good. That was easy. Well, we're gonna forget about a nighttime landing. We're having a nighttime takeoff. All right. That's how it goes in stormy weather, I guess, huh? Okay, right engine is good. Let's do our left. Good, that's spooling up as well. Let's go look outside. Gotta contact ground. I don't need to contact. There we go.
Midway ground Cessna November tree 43
Give me my arrows, buddy. Where's my arrows?
Cessna November 343 Bravo Whiskey taxi to and hold short of runway 22 left using taxiway November 1 November cross runway 22 right November Romeo. Contact tower on 135.2 when ready.
Okay, where's my arrows? There we go. Okay, good. So we're going to make a right turn and another right turn. Good. Okay. Fix the camera again, as per usual. Engines look perfect. All squared away. Okay. APU off. APU generator off. Okay. Let's go. God almighty. It's killing me. Okay. Bring up our column. Set our timer. We won't start our timer yet, but we'll have it ready. Alright. Let's go. I forgot. Where did I say I'm going? Right. Okay. Let's go. Man, did it get dark fast or what? Holy mackerel. Let's go. Make a right and then another right, and then we'll be cruising down. Wow, it's only 4:26 in Chicago. Don't have a long way to go, 4/10 of a mile. All right, good. Winds are out of the east, southeast. At least that's what they say they are. Zoom in here. This is nautical.
Approaching runway 22 right. Entered runway 22 right. 4,700 feet remaining.
I'm not seeing that. I guess technically I've entered it because I feel like we crossed over the threshold, not the airport, not the runway proper. Anyway, oh shit! I just remembered something with taxi lanes. Icy. Follow where we are just by looking at this.
Approaching runway 22 left. Entered runway 22 left.
Midway Tower, Cessna, November, tree 43 Bravo, Whiskey, runway 22 left, ready for takeoff, IFR to Yeager.
What did I say the winds were? East, southeast.
Cessna November, tree 43 Bravo, Whiskey, cleared for takeoff, runway 22 left.
Okay. a little concerned about the runway they have me taken off from, but that's
Cleared
okay.
for takeoff runway 22 left Cessna November Tree 4 Tree Bravo Whiskey.
All right. All right, let's get up in the air. I tell you, it is definitely more complicated when you can't see anything. I suppose that probably sounds kind of obvious to anybody who's normal, but like I can't even tell exactly where they want me right now. I got to use this. See this? I'm just going to use this. I can barely see out the window. There we go. You can also see here. There we are. Okay. And we look good here too as well. All right. Whew. Man, this is... I always feel a certain degree of excitement. Reconfirm. Oh, sync our heading bug. We're going to use heading. Are you ready? Wait, let me make sure that actually started. Sometimes that doesn't happen. Yes. All right, let's go, friends. Shitty weather. Winds are kind of coming at us like this at 13 knots, so this is the correct runway. Let's roll. Airspeed's alive. 120. 150 and rotate. There's no stall. Positive rate, gear up. Man, oh Christ, are we getting blown around. Whoa. Man, it's so much trickier when you don't have any visual references. Autopilot. Auto throttle.
126.05 Cessna Tree Bravo Whiskey.
Wow, that was quite a takeoff. I've seen better organized riots.
November Tree 4 Tree Bravo Whiskey is at 2,500 feet.
The gear up.
7,000 feet.
Confirmed. Zoom out.
Cessna November Tree 4 Tree Bravo Whiskey, Chicago.
Flaps retracted.
Continue to bears as planned.
Oh shit, that
Altimeter
wasn't...
30.38.
There we go. Sorry. Little speed brake action there I didn't intend. Okay, we're going to start a left turn. Flaps are retracted. We're IMC now. That left turn. We're headed southeast towards Charleston, so... Switch to FLC. It's bumpy.
Cessna Tree Bravo Whiskey, contact Chicago Center on 127.6.
127.6 Cessna Tree Bravo Whiskey.
See where we are here?
Chicago Center
Heading
Cessna
this way.
November Tree 4 Tree Bravo Whiskey is out of 7,700 feet for 7,000 feet.
Getting a little lighter out.
Bravo Whiskey, Chicago Center. Continue to bears as planned. Altimeter tree 0.38. Cessna Tree Bravo Whiskey, contact Chicago departure on 126.05.
What did they tell me to climb to? Or maybe I missed it.
Going to 126.05 Cessna
Did they
Tree
give me
Bravo
further
Whiskey.
climb instructions?
Chicago departure Cessna November Tree 4
No,
Tree Bravo
they
Whiskey
didn't.
is at 8,900 feet, descending 7,000 feet.
No, I'm not descending. So we got the same problem we've had before. This airplane climbs so fast that it outpaces
Continue to bears as planned.
the ability of the ATC
0.38.
to give you a kind of further climb instructions. I don't know if that makes sense. So we're just going to ignore ATC now as it relates to our climb instructions. which sucks, but that's how it goes. I've noticed this problem now present itself more than once. Switch to FLC. 9200, we'll set it at.
Cessna 3 Bravo Whiskey, contact Chicago Center on 132.5.
Southwest 710 2 miles southeast.
Okay,
Climb and maintain 4,000
switch over to nav.
feet. Expect yard at runway 22 right
The
approach.
right turn now to intercept.
Clear to City.
132.5 for Cessna 3 Bravo Whiskey.
Okay, friends. Well, that is it for part one.
Chicago Center Cessna November 3 Bravo Whiskey.
I'll check in with part two as we begin our approach into Charleston, West Virginia. Yeager Airport. Yeager Airport.
To Barrett's as planned.
Yeager Airport. Should be there in less than an hour.
Cessna 3 Bravo Whiskey, contact Chicago
That's it for now.
127.8.
Thanks for watching part one in our crappy Chicago weather.
Going to 127.8 Cessna 3 Bravo Whiskey.
Scenario.
Chicago Center Cessna November 343 Bravo Whiskey is out of 13,000 feet for 7,000
Sorry.
feet.
I was trying to figure out. There we go. All right, so that's it for now, friends. We'll check in soon.
Bravo Whiskey, Chicago Center, continue to Barrett's as planned.
Wish us luck.